This is part 3 of my DIY pumpkin head. So after letting each of the layers dry, I used a fan to actually make them dry faster. I'm going to start cutting out a hole in the bottom. This is going to be how I take out all of the filling that I had put in this pumpkin head, but also how I will be able to wear it on my head because I want this one to be wearable. And as you can see, I am just pulling out all of that stuffing, which I kind of regret the shredded paper. That was definitely more of a mistake because it got everywhere. And then I'm going to use some paint that I had in my inventory to start DIY painting this nice and orange. And you actually want to do a layer under it. You need 2 coats to cover up your newspaper. As you can see, mine did not really work the first time. So now I'm repainting it a different color. And I actually ran out of orange paint because boyfriend, who you can see walking around in the background, said it's not orange enough. It needs to be more orange. But this was all the orange I had because my dad is a firm believer in use the inventory. So I was using the orange paint that I had available. So that's this color concoction you see happening. The paint was really gooey, so it ended up dripping down the pumpkin, which made it look like a spooky, warty pumpkin. I love it. I love the way the color turns out when you do it this method because this paint is kind of runny and it'll just run down the side. And follow for part 4. Sorry, this is so long, guys.